Welcome to this quick look at the Tonchean wall-mounted drying rack in white, designed to save space and keep your laundry organized. This sturdy drying rack features a strong load-bearing capacity, supporting your clothes securely without sagging. Weighing just 6 pounds, it is lightweight yet durable, making installation easy and reliable. The wall mount design frees up floor space, perfect for small rooms or apartments. Its foldable feature allows you to collapse the rack when not in use, maximizing your available space. Ideal for drying clothing, it offers a practical solution for everyday laundry needs. Upgrade your drying routine with this efficient and convenient wall-mounted drying rack. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.